Since the start of 2021, there have been over 300 road fatalities in Jamaica. Among the more recent victims is hotelier Richard Sam from St. Anne, and the police in that parish are worried about how motorists are using the roadways. They have since stepped up their operations to limit accidents in the parish that serves as a major route for motorists traveling between Kingston and Western Jamaica. One crash hotspot is the exit of the Edward Seaga Highway leading to the Miami Bay roundabout.
So since the start of this year, we have recorded some 22 road fatalities, which is a slight uptick when compared to last year. So we are making some deliberate move today with a view to see how best we can positively impact what is happening across the division.
The police have also been having challenges with motorists during curfew hours. More than 100 persons have died in road crashes during curfew hours this year. But SSP Powell says in St. Anne there has been compliance on no movement days, but still issued this warning.
We're going to advise people to ensure that they follow the restriction as it relates to the disaster risk management. So if there's no need for you to be out in the public during the curfew hours, we're going to ask you to mitigate, and you would have seen elsewhere in terms of the fines that are being levied. And so one of the things that we are saying that we in Centre will ensure that we will do whatsoever is necessary to ensure that the law is fully complied.
In the meantime, he says this measure is also to clamp down on criminals in the area.
Those who are in the habit of traversing our space with weapons, illegal drugs, be aware that we'll be out here and we'll be doing everything to ensure that St. Anne remain one of the safest parishes in Jamaica.